All right, so ladies and gentlemen, at this point here, I want to sort of illustrate something here using the tools I had available. I apologize about the crudeness of the tools, but it seems to work out pretty well. Note here we have ourselves a quadrilateral, right? We can see that the quadrilateral is constructed by these four segments here. This black pen, a white pen here, a blue pen, and a chopstick. Yeah, I realize it's an eclectic mix of things here, but, you make do what you have to. So it looks something like this here. Now, I want to zoom out, and I'm actually going to pick this up here, so I apologize if the picture becomes a little bit unstable, because I'm holding it here. So I'd like you to consider this. Now, have a look at this here, ladies and gentlemen. You'll note that I have constructed two different quadrilaterals here, right? This is our original quadrilateral to start with. And we have another quadrilateral down here. So again, note that that I use exactly the same ideas here. I use the exact same things here. I used two white pens that are identical, two blue pens that are identical, two chopsticks, and two black pens. But it's pretty clear that these two quadrilaterals are not the same. They don't look the same, right? These aren't congruent here. So note that we can set up a quadrilateral or something like this where you have four congruent sides. You have four pairs of congruent sides. The black pair, the blue pair, the white pair, the wooden pair. These seem to work, but these aren't the same here. So that means there's something weird going on here. So it's not just something about sides here. There has to be more to the picture than this. In addition, furthermore, you may have noticed here, if you're looking really carefully, you may have also noticed here that the position seems to be a little off. Notice how in this situation, if we go around the quadrilateral like this, we have black, wood, blue, white. If we look at this one down here, we have black, wood, white, blue. So it seems like I've swapped the positions of the blue and the white here, and I created a different quadrilateral. So even though, again, I have four pairs of congruent pieces here, four pairs of congruent segments here, not only are the angles messed up here, but it seems like we have things in the wrong order. There seems to be some sort of like matching here, right? You would expect that you want, for instance, the wood piece on the bottom here, right? The wood piece is on the bottom of both. The black is on the left side of both. But notice how here, this blue one is the top edge of the second quadrilateral here, but this first one, the blue is on the right-hand side here. So we don't really seem to have that sort of thing going on here. So that actually leads us to something a little bit different here. And we're actually going to see what that means here in a bit.